So you can see we've got to glue these because we're limited on our max height on the printer, but the back of the luggage case will come down here. We're working on printing those sides. We got the lid and the hinge connected. Kind of showcase a little bit how that's looking. So we got to reprint the lid. Actually, all the parts have to be reprinted because we've made changes engineering wise in the design. And you can see the side. It's pretty cool too. So it's getting there, and so that would open up, give you access from the top. This piece in particular was kicking our butt. You could see we had to print it 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 times. We're working on getting prepped the handles for print. It's going to be something similar to this, smaller, a little bit slightly different design for the grab handles. That'll be on either side. And then this portion that swoops down is going to be aluminum. I mean, obviously it's going to be PLA, plastic right now, but it'll be aluminum. So yeah, just kind of wanted to give an update and kind of show where we're at. We're getting ready to get like a 5th computer, more so a laptop, which is exciting for us because we haven't bought a laptop in a little while. It's going to be for all our marketing, branding, advertising, networking, social media, all that fun stuff. And then from there, we're going to be looking at another desktop, lower power, probably like an i3 for slicer software and 3D prep, since it's not really doing too much computing for us. And then before all that, though, we're also looking at a second 3D printer. Trying to decide if we're going to do the more flatbed because it is bigger, or another Delta to put over there at Pi. So getting really excited. You know, we're getting positioned for some stuff, and it's going to be a super productive next couple of months. It's going to be intense, a lot of work. You know, working at the airport at 3 in the morning is definitely kicking my butt. And then coming home, I got 60 minutes exactly to change, send out some emails, get breakfast made for myself, prep a little breakfast for the boys and my wife, and then and shower and hit the road to walk into the train station, and from the train station to the bridge, and then walking the bridge about 3/4 of a mile to get to corporate for where the office is. So yeah, so we'll give everybody an update later.